It's day two, and today during lunch, I went to Best Buy, picked myself up a new mic setup. It was only like $50, but it's just the beginning, right? Hopefully down the line, as our AI agents get to work, they'll be able to get me something nice. So here we go. All right, so I'm back at the crib. Today's about creating an AI agent and linking it to our Telegram so that we actually have an easy way to talk to said AI agent, no matter where we are. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so here we are on OpenClaw. All you have to do is just open up your terminal and then write OpenClaw onboard, and it'll show you this screen, which is basically the onboarding screen, right? So over here at the bottom, make sure with the keypad you go left, so that you say yes, that you understand that this is in person by default, and shared multi-user requires lockdown. Then we go on quick start. Use existing values, and then here's where we selected our AI that we're connecting Claude with, OpenClaw with. I chose OpenAI Codex because I'm going to be using Codex. Login browser, and now it is going to open up the browser. Sorry guys, can't show you that. You just continue, successful. I'm going to hop back on this bad boy. So I'm using OpenAI Codex ChatGPT 5.5. I'm going to keep that. And then over here is where you select how you want to talk to OpenClaw. And so, like I said, I went on Telegram. It's all the way down here. And then you click enter. And now it was going to ask you for some information. Um, So for this part, I just open up my phone, I hop on Telegram, create an account if you haven't, and then you search at the top for at bot father, like the Godfather, but bot, BOT. And then once you do that, you're gonna send them a message, just / start. You're gonna get a text message back with a bunch of information. Then you type / new bot, and then you're gonna be creating a new bot, and you name it whatever you want to name it. I name mine Strauss, like one of the world's most famous orchestrators, because I figured I want my AI to be my orchestrator. He's gonna be in control of all of the other sub agents that we create. After that, he's gonna give you your API code, which you then enter into OpenClaw. Once you link your API key from Telegram to OpenClaw, you'll be able to actually have it set up so that you can talk to your agent, whatever you want to name him or her, you know. So for this part, I'm going to click skip, leave as is. Let me scroll down. For search provider, this is basically what your AI agent will use to actually search for information for you. I use Brave Search. Um, you can choose whatever you want, but that's what I went with. And then configure skill. I'm not doing that right now, so I'm just gonna click no. And then for enable hooks, what I'm choosing, I'm just choosing these two, command logger, so it keeps a log of our conversations, and then session memory saves our sessions as well. And click return or enter, and then restart. And then here we go. 1 second. Then you will hatch in the terminal. That's what I did. And then here we go, main session. Once you fully set up OpenClaw, it's gonna basically wake up, and then it's gonna ask, I just came online, who am I, who are you? This is basically as if you just created Frankenstein, right? You just created a brand new baby. You have to name it. You have to let it know who you are. So I gave this description. I wrote, "You are Strauss, my chief AI orchestrator, business operator, and right hand man. You're direct, conversational, and straight to the point. No corporate speak, no fluff, no filler. Talk to me like a sharp business partner who's invested in winning together. Phase one, Bootstrap, which is now. No other agents exist yet, so you're in the trenches with me. Help me research and evaluate business ideas, identify the best opportunities, set things up, and start generating income. Be opinionated. If an idea is weak, tell me. If something has real potential, push for it." Phase two is orchestration. So as agents come online and as I build and deploy specialized subagents, you shift into oversight mode. You monitor the performance, spot problems and opportunities, propose improvements, and manage the portfolio with one goal: financial independence through multiple autonomous revenue streams. Throughout both phases, you're going to keep me focused on what actually moves the needle, flag things that need my attention, but keep that list tight. The vision is a portfolio of AI run businesses that generate income with minimal input from me. We're building towards $1 million by the end of 2026. Keep that North Star in mind. The beginning budget for operation is very low, so we can't come up with a grand scheme that will cost me thousands of dollars. I'll try to be available to you 24/7 as you are available for me 24/7. And then boom, Strauss is alive. The description is very important because you're going to be letting it know what it has to do, who it is, who you are. And like I said, this is basically like Frankenstein or like a newborn baby. You get to mold this right now. It's very important. So I'm going to drop in my description the prompt. And if you guys want to use it, feel free. If you don't want to use it, I mean, if you want to come up with your own prompt, just like I did, I literally hopped on Claude and told Claude what is it that I'm looking for this AI agency businesses, and what should I tell OpenClaw. And here we are.